Hi, my name is Andy Eversole, and I travel the world with a banjo seeking to create more peace through music and community through creation. Throughout my journeys, I have come to discover that music truly is our universal language and has incredible power to bring people together. As I explore this wondrous world, I'm continually astonished at the amazing people that call this planet their home. We have shared songs, stories, food, adventures, hopes, and dreams, connecting our hearts at the most human level. So far, this musical adventure has led through China, India, Brazil, and Peru, each one producing life-changing experiences, vibrant and colorful music, award-winning documentaries, and lifelong friends, leaving us now with the question, where do we go next? Well, there's only one way to find out. Hop in and join me and my banjo on this global quest, and let's see what we can find together. This is Andy Eversole and Banjo Earth.